I can make an estimation that we save about 40% on maintenance, downtime and production costs because of training the people on the simulator. And to get the equipment available for a learner just to get the basic maneuvers, previously it took about 6 months, and now we do it in about a month and a half. And because of the correct training methods that we use now in the simulator, operators apply the correct retarding procedures. A whole pack tire is in the origin of about, I think, 30,000 rand per tire now. If you reduce from 90 tires to 40 tires a year, that's quite a big save.
Training simulators indeed improve your training platform. From a company perspective, we will never go back to the old methodology of training. I can applaud 5DT for the turnaround time with regard to queries and concerns. It is quite remarkable how quick they respond in honouring the service level agreement that is between the companies.
The simulators increase the uptime by 40%. They're on the maintenance side. There's a lot of money that is being used, like 5 to 6 million over a year. If you don't have proper trained operators, what's going to happen? There are a lot of operators that were sent for retraining because they couldn't perform their operations well underground. We just bring them for retraining on a simulator. I'm running now for 2 years. We've never had a fatality on the machine.
The simulators increased the uptime by 15% due to the fact that the trainees practiced for a whole week on the simulators here in the training center. Sasol's production has picked up with 26%. The simulators contributed to the reduction of dust by 64% and the reduction of cutting the roof and floor by 44%. The reason why Sasol bought these simulators is because we need to take out coals safely, productively, thereby saving lives, reducing downtime on the machines, reaching the production targets.
We have on the simulator for the drill rigs is a massive improvement on our underground production. If we look back in overall damages on the machines, they are definitely improving now, and we have more experienced operators operating our machines down there. I believe that simulators is very important on all mines. If you have simulators for the specific machines on mines, we can improve all production underground, especially on our TMM machines.
Having interviewed a few operators after they have completed training on the simulator, 5DT simulators, they now say there is a better understanding in the operation, and I can assure you that with them in place, there is a huge increase in production and our safety stats. I would advise mines, if they do not have, to implement it because it enhances your operator skills, which lead to better operating, safer production, increase in production as well, and lesser downtime. This far, I'm very satisfied with the service delivery of 5DT.
Simulators reduce the training time. Specifically in one incident I'm thinking about is a roof bolt operator, a rather complex machine. A lady trained for 2 months, we were unable to get her competent. Introduced to the simulator, 1 week on the simulator, took her to the real machine, problem solved. We've had 2 incidents where learners, when we didn't have the simulators, actually drove into structures because it's the first time on the machine. Operator safety improved by being able to simulate emergency that you cannot simulate in real life. My vision is to have a simulator cap for every machine available because it shortens our training, it optimizes the training, and obviously the end product, which is a competent operator, that's the vision.